How to unlink Google Photos from Gallery. It's a very simple and a quick process, so without further ado, let's jump into the video. So the very first thing you want to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app Google Photos. Once you have the latest version, simply open the app. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and make sure that you are logged into a specific account that you want to unlink from the gallery. Once you are in this page, now what you want to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Tons of different options will be available to you, but head over to Google Photo settings. It will lead you to this page. Tap on Backup. Now in order to unlink from the gallery, what you want to do is you have to make sure that the option Backup is disabled. Well, if this option is enabled, then it will keep on backing up your photos and videos from the gallery itself. So make sure that this option is turned off and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can unlink Google Photos from gallery. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.